Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing another cleaning video. This one is on my kitchen. My kitchen is from the 1970s and it's kind of outdated looking, but I still think it's pretty and it still does the job. So let's go ahead and get started.
Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
So basically my routine is so basic, it's unreal. It's just pretty much putting up the dishes and wiping down the cabinets, cleaning the sink every once in a while, and that's it. So I don't do anything super fancy. Being this is like a 10-minute type of clean, I just do what I can in that time and the rest is history.
Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
So this kitchen did not look this way when we first bought it. The cabinets actually were a darker type of brown and it wasn't really all that attractive looking. But we did sand down those cabinets and eventually we put some bright white paint, and that's what you're seeing right there. It probably needs some more. And you have to be careful how you do it because they do look pretty dirty pretty quickly. I know the baseboards and all that kind of stuff, it's just one of those areas that catches a lot of dirt and it's a little bit harder to clean. But it will brighten up the area if you do apply some white paint to it.
Connect the dots straight to the start of intoxicating want. Lingering touch, these soft words whispered in the dark. Set my heart on fire.
So being that the kitchen is a little bit older, I try to go for like a very clean type of minimalistic look. And one way I've done that is I take just clear glass jars and I'll put what normal types of items you would already have in your kitchen, like the dishwasher pods or whatever, and somehow I think it has a little bit of a cleaner look, and it also works in your favor as far as making your kitchen look a little bit bigger and spacious as far as clutter. So that's something to think about, and I'm really enjoying that look. But yeah, this isn't my ideal kitchen, and eventually I'm gonna want to do some different things, but for now it does the job.
The world has been broke down. The world is just announced. Final time is now. The final time to bow. But I will not get down. For you can't force me now. Awakening is clear. I could show you how.
So if you enjoy these kind of videos, I'm just gonna let you guys listen to the music and just watch the rest of the cleaning process. But if you guys enjoy stuff like this, then definitely leave a comment down below, like the video, and kind of give me some ideas on the next type of cleaning video. Like I said in the past, I am new to this and I'm really not sure like the right protocol or what interests people. So it's always helpful to hear your suggestions and kind of see where to go from there. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.